Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home, right? Today we are going to see EVS subject. What subject? EVS subject. Term 2, lesson number 5. The topic is people who help us. Okay, the topic is people who help us. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. W-H-O. Who. H-E-L-P, help. U-S, us, people who help us. Okay, what is mean by people, ma? Do you know what is mean by people? Shall I say you? If there is only one man or woman is there, they are called as person. If I am standing here, I am a person. If someone is behind me, some group of person are there, they are called as people. Okay, what is mean by help? In Tamil, we will say Udavi. Okay, this is a good kind of habit we have to learn day by day. Okay, in our day to day life, there are many people helping us every day. Okay, like our mother used to help us to prepare food for us, and she will guide us to read and write the homework, right? Okay, father, next one is father. How he is helping you? When you ask your father, I want this item, daddy, like that, if he will buy for you and he will give you. Okay, and the grandpa and grandma also helps you in guiding you in good habits, and they will tell stories for you. Okay, in our chapter there are many people helping us day to day life without our knowledge. Okay, let us see them. Okay, first one is milkman. M-I-L-K, milk. M-A-N, man, milkman. Do you know him? What he will do? He will deliver milk at your doorstep. Okay. The second one is very important person. He is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. For what purpose we will reach him? When we feel ill, when we feel sick, ill means we are not at good health. Okay, ill means not in good health. Okay, in that time we will reach doctor to treat us. Okay, the next one is gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Okay, the next fourth one is nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay, today we are going to see 8 person in our chapter. I wrote 4. Rest of them we will see in next slide. Okay. Okay. What is this, ma? What is inside this bottle? Milk. Very good. Who will give milk for you? Your mother. Okay, dear. But from where you are buying milk? At the shop. Okay, instead of that, someone is there to help us. They will provide milk in our doorstep also. We don't want to go to shop, we don't want to roam somewhere else. Okay, they will provide milk at your doorstep. Who is he? He is the milkman. Okay, shall we write milkman? Say with me, M-I-L-K, milk. M-A-N, man, milkman. Who is he? Milkman. He will deliver milk at our doorstep. Okay. The next one is see this and find out. Okay. What is this? A big paper with something written in this, right? What is this? Newspaper. Okay, in your home your grandpa used to read the newspaper at the morning time. Okay, from where he is getting newspaper, ma? At the shop. Okay, he can get at the shop, and there is a specific person, he will give newspaper at our doorstep also at the morning time. Okay, he will travel in his own vehicle, he will carry the newspaper and he will give us in the home. Okay, shall we write the newspaper? Let us see how to write newspaper. Okay, N-E-W-S, news, P-A P-E-R, newspaper. Who is he, boy or girl? Boy. So, newspaper, boy, B-O-Y, boy. He is a newspaper boy. He will deliver newspaper at our doorstep. Okay. The next one. Are you waiting to see the next slide? Okay, dear. Let us see. What she is doing, ma? She is washing the plate. Yes, she is washing the plate. In our home, there are few people, they will wash their own plates in our home. Okay, it is a good habit. But though we have a maid in our home, okay, to wash our cloth and plates and clean our room, our windows, like that. Okay, let us see few of them. Okay, what she is doing? She is cleaning the window. Okay, what she is doing? See this? She is washing clothes. Okay, what she is doing, ma? She is ironing the cloth. Okay, and then here she is also washing the vessels. Okay, and she is cleaning the floor. Okay, so they are called as domestic helpers. They are called as domestic helpers. They will clean our household things in all the time. Okay, shall we write domestic helper? D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic, H-E-L-P-E-R, helper, domestic helper. They are called as domestic helper. Okay, okay, dears. Let me move on to next slide. Let us see who is going to come now. Okay, see this. Who is he? First listen, what is there behind him? See the green color things. Can you able to see this? Okay, ma, that are plant and trees. Okay, his work is to take care of these kind of plant and trees. Okay, so what is he will do here means he will dig the soil, he will sow the seeds, and he will water the plant. Okay, he will water the plant. This is the duty of this man. Okay, what he is called as? What is his name? You know, he is a gardener. Shall we write now? Okay, ma. Let us see how to write gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Okay, he is the gardener. He will sow the seeds, he will dig the soil and he will sow the seeds and he will water the plant. Okay, it is a good habitat. You can also follow in your home. Okay, the next one is, are you all eagerly waiting to next people? Okay, dear. Okay, you can see a man here. Who's this, ma? She is wearing stethoscope and she is checking something to this little boy. Okay, who is he? He is a patient. Okay, patient will reach the doctor and doctor will treat them. Okay, if they are ill, if they are sick, they are treated by doctors using this stethoscope. Okay, for what purpose we are using stethoscope? Do you know? It is used to hear the heartbeat. Okay, okay, da. What is going on here? She is taking thermometer and she is inserting in this little boy mouth. Okay, and for what this thermometer is used? Do you know that? To check our temperature. When you get fever, when you are ill, doctor used to keep thermometer in our mouth and they will check our body temperature. Okay, shall we write doctor now? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Okay, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Okay, someone will help a doctor also. Okay, do you know who is that? Now we will see in next slide. Who is she, ma? What she is having? She is having a injection. Okay, what she will do? Do you know that? She will injection in our body. It will pain, right? Okay, dear. So she will help for the doctor. Doctor will treat the patient and she will take care of the patient in good manner. Okay. Who is she? Do you know? She is nurse. What she is doing, ma? She is fitting the glucose bottle in the plane. And what she is doing? She is taking care of patient. Shall we write nurse? N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Who is she? She is a nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay. And the next slide is, when you show hand like this, it means stop. Okay. All the vehicles should stop. And he will leave other side vehicles to move on. Okay. Who is he, ma? You can see him in the roadside. He is a traffic police. He is a traffic police. Shall we write traffic police? See him. He is saying stop, stop, and letting other vehicles to move on. Okay. Now we will write traffic police. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. P-O-L-I-C-E, police, traffic police. He will control the traffic. Traffic police is used to control the traffic. Okay. He is showing his hand like this. What it means? Stop. The spelling of stop is S-T-O-P, stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Okay. He is a traffic police. The next slide is going to be, observe this slide. What he is doing? He is pouring water on some object. Okay. When there is a fire in some area, he will come and rescue us. Okay. He has an object. This is called as fire extinguisher. And the man, who is he? He is the fireman. He is a fireman. He will pour water and then some sand also. Who is he? Shall we write fireman? F-I-R-E, fire. M-A-N, man. Fireman. He is called as fireman. Okay. And the next slide is, observe this slide. What he is doing? He is pouring water on some object. Okay. When there is a fire in some area, he will come and rescue us. Okay. He has an object. This is called as fire extinguisher. And the man, who is he? He is the fireman. He is a fireman. He will pour water and then some sand also. Who is he? Shall we write fireman? F-I-R-E, fire. M-A-N, man. Fireman. He is called as fireman. Okay. Today we have seen some of the people in our lesson. The rest of the people we will see in next session. Okay. Below this video they have attached subject material, question bank, and then self-assessment also. Parents, please guide your children to do this and help them to read and write. Okay. Do this in your home, dear. Thank you.